How was your muscularity performance for the gummy jelly score?
你的吃冰淇淋也是几分？几分？
第一个
冰淇淋是几分？冰淇淋几分？你的 score 是几分
？Seven. Oh, good. But your bite force is very low.
Yes. Less than 100.
Less than 100.
170几。
Less than 2,000. 200.
You tried once, 2 times for dental breast cake. Only 1 time. Okay. I think there is a possibility your biting for dental breast cake sheet was not complete. If you try again, so your biting force might be much higher. It's just a possibility. Another reason, there is a discrepancy between the maximum voluntary effort and the actual chewing musculatory performance. Musculatory performance by usually or chewing gum is natural performance. It's not the maximal voluntary effort. So, in some patients, especially in old patients, maximal voluntary biting force is very low. But he or she can chew the gummy jelly very well. It's possible. But I see your face and jaw muscle. So your real biting force is not so low, I suppose. So you don't have to worry your biting force.